What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Jekyll and Hyde, and today we got a very interesting vehicle. As a matter of fact, let me show you guys something. Come here, check this out, right? See this vehicle over here? Audi A7 pulling off right now. We did a full wrap on that one, but what I want to tell you guys is you don't always have to do a full wrap. Sometimes it's only the accents, right? And on this 2019 Audi A7, that's exactly what we did. We did not do a full wrap. What we did do, however, is we added some excellent accents, right? So let's talk about them. The first thing you guys will notice on this gloss white A7 is we did a blackout. You can look at the front of the grille here, totally blacked out, right? We also, if you come around to the side, you'll see we actually did the top gloss black. You can see right here in the back. We did the door handles, blacked that out. We did some of the badges or the emblems, as some people would call it. We also, while we're on black, let's go ahead and talk about the wheels. So we powder coated the wheels, as you can see, right? And while we're down here on the wheels, we'll go ahead and say, right, that we also upgraded the brake calipers, right, red, which gives it that pop with the contrast, right? Another thing we did right here on the side mirrors is we added a carbon fiber wrap, as you guys can see. All right, so if you come on around to the back, we also added a carbon fiber on the wing or the tail. As you guys can see right here, match that carbon fiber on the side mirrors. You can see the emblems on the back, the A7, the Audi symbol, right? Also the badge is blacked out on the back, which completes the blackout, right? And last but not least, we also did the brake lights, as you guys can see. So we tinted those, right? And we also tinted the headlights in the front. So again, guys, with your wrap, it doesn't always require a full wrap. Sometimes accents, right, very subtle, can make a big difference, especially in a car like this, right? Audi A7 2019. Guys, if you need accents added to your car, or if you need your car wrapped or upgraded, bring it on down to Jekyll and Hyde. We'll do it for you. This is William Agnew, Audi A7. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!